Check it out. This is the beginning steps to make caramel in your house. Peep game. You're not gonna believe me. Yes? And this. That's it. I'm almost embarrassed at how easy it is. That, you just heat it up and wait and be patient. And you're gonna see caramel. Watch me. So I don't know if you can see, but the color is slightly changing. So I'd say we probably have another 10 minutes before it gets brown. This sugar is hot as hell. Let me tell you something. Never in your lifetime do you want to get boiling sugar on your skin. It ain't like water. You get hot water on your skin, you can wipe it off with a towel or rub it against your pants. You get boiling sugar on your skin, that shit acts like crazy glue. Immediately, your skin is coming off. You're gonna have bubbled up skin, all of that. Intense pain. So do not fart around with this when you're touching it. Do not get it on your skin. Bad news. Okay, right now we are at the edge of the danger zone. And by that I mean the color's changed. I could smell it now when I couldn't smell it before, which means I could smell cooked sugar. And if you're not paying attention, you will go from brown to burnt in 30 seconds. All right? So this is where we're at. And I'm good with that color. Cream. Vanilla. I'm going to add some butter in a second. All we did was put sugar and water and simmer it for like 20 minutes. You don't have to do nothing except be vigilant. And at the end, you add these, nothing more than cream, vanilla, butter, and once I taste it, I'm gonna add some salt. And then you just let it sit, and you got caramel. And I use this caramel over ice cream. I used it in coffee, wherever you would use caramel. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Rich, smooth, creamy, sweet, and salty. Salted caramel made in your kitchen. Let's go. All I'm doing is pouring this into a squeeze bottle. Squeeze bottle stays in the fridge. Oh, look at that. Oh, damn, I made the perfect amount. Right on point. It'll stay in the fridge. You have to microwave it to loosen it up to get to this texture consistency. Okay. This on here. That you can use for ice cream, coffee. This right here is some rum raisin ice cream that I made with an ice cream maker a friend of mine helped me buy. It's nothing but cream, milk, sugar, vanilla, raisins soaked in rum, and some rum in the base so that it doesn't get hard. You see how easy that is to scoop? That's what alcohol does when you put it in the base. See that? That's tight. I got all kinds in the freezer. This, mint chocolate chip, cookies and cream. I made a peach cobbler ice cream. Stupid. Stupid. Then all we do is take this here. I know your mouth is watering already. I know it is. Man, I can't even tell you how good this is. I'm not paying nobody for no ice cream. I can make it myself. This is a bona fide 10. Come through if you want to get some.